It was a perfectly normal Tuesday morning for Leo. He had his cereal, he had his juice, and he had a very strange feeling in his nose. Uh-oh. Achoo! That's new. Leo had a superpower. Whatever he sneezed on turned into spaghetti. He tried it on his bag. Spaghetti. He tried it on his water bottle. Spaghetti. He sneezed at the fridge by accident. Oops, sorry, fridge. The fridge was now entirely made of spaghetti. This is the best day of my life. Leo's mom walked into the kitchen and stopped. Leo, why is the fridge spaghetti? Superpowers, Mom. I have superpowers now. Can your superpowers get us to school on time? Leo suddenly realized his school bag was spaghetti. His shoes were spaghetti. He had nothing left to carry his books in. The superpower was amazing and also a little bit of a disaster. Okay, maybe just a tiny bit of a problem. But Leo didn't give up. He looked at the spaghetti all around him and had an idea. If he could turn things into spaghetti, maybe he could build things out of spaghetti too. I just need to think differently. Every problem has a noodle solution. He wove the spaghetti into a bag. It was a little bit wobbly, it smelled a bit like dinner, but it held his books perfectly. Actually, this might be the coolest bag in school. And so Leo headed off to school with the world's only spaghetti school bag. He didn't know if the power would last forever, but he knew one thing for sure. Every problem has a solution. You just have to think a little outside the pasta.